Hey friend, Brandon here from This Is Tech Today. This is the new Samsung Galaxy Watch 7 and Galaxy Watch Ultra. Here are some things that you should know about them, starting with the Galaxy Watch Ultra. The Galaxy Watch Ultra boasts the most robust and durable hardware in Samsung's history, crafted from aerospace grade 4 titanium and with an IP68 rating that makes it water resistant up to 100 meters deep. It meets military standards for mountain climbing and deep sea diving, which is crazy. The Galaxy Ultra's cushion design or squiggle shape houses a round watch face display in the center, supporting a red and black look for night vision. The OLED display is covered by sapphire crystal glass and has a virtual bezel for navigation. The new quick button allows you to start and stop activities, initiate new intervals, or start and end a workout. If you hold it for 5 seconds, it activates a 85 decibel alarm. The Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra has Samsung's newest Exynos 3nm processor, which gives it 3 times the CPU performance and a 30% gain in power efficiency. This thing is super fast and smooth when using it. It also uses the latest version of Wear OS. Battery life is rated for 48 hours in workout or exercise power saving mode and 100 hours in daily life power savings mode. On the back of the Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra are 13 LEDs, and inside is an improved GPS to help with tracking. It supports a range of health and fitness tracking capabilities and features. It gives you a daily energy score between 0 and 100, with factors that explain what contributed to that score. It also provides wellness tips and personalized recommendations like what to eat, drink, sleep, and more. It can track your sleep information such as sleep latency, time in bed, movement, respiratory rate, and sleep stages. It has been FDA approved to detect sleep apnea, which is really neat. It can also track heart rate and zones, blood oxygen levels, steps, and activity. All this data gets analyzed using Galaxy AI. If you have a Samsung Galaxy Ring, measurements will be more precise as there are more points of measurement. The Galaxy Watch Ultra will offload some of those redundant measurements to help improve the Galaxy Ring's battery life by 30%. This synergy between the watch and the Ring provides a more comprehensive idea and measurement of your vitals. The Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra comes in titanium gray, white, and silver and has a new lug design for the straps. This design allows for an easy swapping of straps, which can be done by pressing the button on the back. The strap options are marine, trail, and peak form, each designed for different activities and styles. The cost is $649.99 with orders available now and shipping on July 24th. The Galaxy Watch 7 is a refresher from the prior generation of the Galaxy Watch, but with the addition of new software and the AI features that I mentioned above. It also has 32GB RAM and the new 3nm Exynos chip. It comes in 44mm and 40mm, green, silver, and cream, and there are 3 types of straps: sport, fabric, and athleisure. The Samsung Galaxy Watch 7 costs $299.99. Affiliate links are available in the description if you would like to purchase either of these watches, and I'd love to know what you think about them. Also remember to check out my video on the new Samsung Galaxy Buds 3 Pro, the Galaxy Fold 6 and Flip 6, and the new Galaxy Ring. Samsung did not sponsor this video, but they did provide travel and accommodations to New York for remote viewing of the Samsung Unpacked event and hands-on with their new devices. Samsung does not have editorial control or approval for this video, which is supported by viewers like you. Thanks for watching This Is Tech Today. Until next time.